take meeting notes. So first, this plaud. You have different factors. You can attach it to your cloth with some external accessories they give you with it, and you have like this small button to turn it on. So I'm going to turn it on, and then you have iPhone app that display the list of conversations you had, so recording. So you can record and turn it on, and so you have to record manually each of your meeting. Personally, it's too much effort for me. I think I like the design, but the fact that you need to record every time, I'm just not gonna do it. And then you have Limitless, which is this nice device that you can put on your shirt like this, and then you have they have like plaud. They also have iOS app, both on mobile and desktop, and it's recording all the time, so it's going to transcribe all of your conversations, and then like you have a live log, and you have you can see like the calendar view, and it's not loading for some reason. And then it's generating like reminders, like it based on like conversations you had. It gives you like reminders of what you can do, and you also have like this AI chat. Okay, next I'm going to talk about Bouquet, which is this nice device. It's much bigger than other devices. From what I understand, is like the battery lasts longer than. It looks like the battery lasts longer than other devices, and it's magnetic, so it's really stay well on the back. I like that it's like the magnetic factor works well, because with other devices sometimes the magnetic was not working properly, and you have like some button here. They have this concept of call versus normal mode, which I'm not sure I didn't get yet what's the difference. And same, they have an app, a chat, and reminders, same as in Limitless, and it's recording all the time. So it's similar to Limitless, and the difference is like longer battery probably, and this bigger, of course. It's better if maybe it's good if you always forget your devices. You don't need to think about it. It's on your phone. But I think it's a little bit too big for me, and actually I would rather that. I think to me the best devices would be something that is smaller, like something that doesn't and something else, and they also have desktop application, and and then you have B, which is has been acquired by Amazon actually, and it's so and it's not it doesn't look like it's listening all the time, so and I think the privacy is I'm not sure about the privacy of this device, but because it's Amazon, like probably they probably know everything about your data. They have reminders, memories, and notes. Okay, so and it's kind of smaller than little bit smaller than plaud. I think that the design is it looks really scrappy to be honest. Doesn't look good, but I think plaud looks better, but the software I think is more at least for me is better. It seems better. It doesn't look like it's recording. It's made to record all the time, but it seems like you can make it record all the time. And I didn't check if they have desktop app, but in terms of price, in terms of price, this is $50. So there is something here, like how they make so cheap. It's probably like Amazon infrastructure, like they have infinite compute, and they just probably sell your data to a third party, I guess. And this is like Chinese, I think, and it's like $200 and $200 a year or something like this. And this was I think I got it like for like $200 and same like maybe $300 a year or something like this. But then it was more expensive, I think like maybe $400 as a one-time payment thing. And this one is like same than plaud. Hopefully I think it's like this is like $130 and $200 a year, something like this. Um, and most the best of all these 4 devices is that they are all integrated with Screenpipe, so you can just go to your Screenpipe connections and make them synchronized to your Screenpipe memories and have everything in one place. You don't need to check their app or something. It's all in one place. And my personal one of my favorite voice recorder is you see there is like a button here, so on iPhone, and I set up a shortcut. When I long press, it will start voice memo, and so this is like a really high quality recording, and Screenpipe transcribe it automatically. That's it. Thanks. If you want to download Screenpipe, go to screenpipe.com. Bye bye.